looked at myself. It took everything in me not to cry because I was so surprised. Like, I didn't expect the outcome to be so great. I was really excited about it. I was. I'm really excited about it now. I'm sorry if I keep smiling. I never really liked my skin anymore. Like, to look at myself, and I'm always like, man, I want my old face back, you know. And when I walked in, my kids were like, Mom, I love it. They went and I have all boys. They went and got their other brothers. They were all upstairs, and they was like, Mom, I really loved it. I like it. They made me feel so awesome. It took everything in me not to cry. I've never really dabbled in makeup. I maybe do some eyeshadow here and there, mascara or something like that. But I've been complaining. I've had a lot of people offer to, let me make your face up, you know, because I complain about it so often. But I mean, I'm just very self-conscious about it. To not look like myself to myself is the most frustrating thing. Like, people still say, oh, well, you're beautiful. Thank you, but I still don't feel like myself. I look at old pictures of myself and I'm like, I want that face back. I just want to look like myself. I want to be able to look in the mirror and say, hey, that's me right there.